Hey, this your girl Lady V as Lady V TV, and that's on period. And we're coming back with another studio vlog video. And in this video, we are doing a current update of the office space. Not sure. I switched it up a little bit, but I got a little more organized, and that's what I'm trying to do is get organized here. So we're going to do like a little quick update. So this is the area, and we're gonna get into the video. All right, we're gonna start right here, and at the bottom is a bunch of makeup bags, and some of my purses I use in my bundles. So like these are little makeup bags, and these are purses, and then I use these as little makeup bags to fill up the items. And then you come on this row, excuse my floor y'all, I'm cleaning, but come on, this row is more purses, and then this right here is a bunch of my press-ons that I add in my bundles. So that's a bunch of press-ons. And then up here is purses that I do my bundles with. So you come on the side right here, and this is where I keep my sunglasses at. So like I said, I am a purse bundle queen, as they call me on TikTok. So basically, you buy a purse and I fill it up. So a lot of people say it's like Build-A-Bear, but it's like Build-A-Purse because you get so much cosmetic and other items in your bag when you purchase it. But let me stop talking and get to this video. So I just have my picture wall, and then on the desk it's pretty simple. I have some of my wrap bracelets, and then my lip glosses in these little spin things. And then right here I just have another wrap bracelets with my squeeze tubes. And then I just have this little box that connects all of my lights and stuff when I am working over here. So we just have that box that I keep charged, and then my internet box, which is Verizon. Have y'all ever used the Verizon internet box? It's pretty good. Sometimes it like goes in and out, but for the most part of it is pretty good. So if y'all have ever used a Verizon one, keep that, give me a comment below. I used to have the T-Mobile, but T-Mobile strength was as good as Verizon. So we're going to stick with Verizon. And then right here, I just have a bunch of bracelets that I use in bundles. And then we have these drawers. Last time these drawers was not labeled, and I really need to finish labeling them. But in here is a bunch of supplies and stuff that I use, and scissors and tape and glue and stuff, as needed. And then I have my crinkle paper. And then in here is shipping supplies. So I have like stickers and mailers and baggies and wrapping paper and stuff like that, just to make the box cute and when I'm sending out my products. And then the rest of them is bracelets. So I just have a bunch of drawers with have a bunch of drawers with a bunch of bracelets and stuff in them. And then you come under my desk, as you can see, and then I have these drawers. So right here is, I have a light for when I actually want to step it up on my press-ons and stuff. So I have that light. And then right here I have some hand sanitizers. My drawer coming apart. Hand sanitizer that's in here, which also comes in bundles. And then we have puff balls, which I needed to order some more. I don't have many colors, and even though I have small purses, but I think these are Super cute, maybe for a keychain, but they are little. So know your sizes when you ordering stuff, y'all. But puffballs is in there. And then you come in this one. And I have a bunch of different hair clips, colorful hair clips, ones that has the words. I have gold and silver. So this is a bunch of hair clips in here. And then this is um, some lip balms and stuff, which I think I'm going to put in my freebies because I really don't go towards these when I'm doing bundles. I could go more to these and to these because, you know, they're bigger, but these right here and these I actually use in my freebie bags when you place an order. So that's why they're in this little bucket right here. So that's these drawers right here. And then we're going to go in this little cube little thing. And right here, I just keep my planner, my scale. And then in these has a bunch of stuff that I use to send with my press on. So I have like little baggies that I make up and send this when you get your press on. So you will have everything you need to add them. So on the side, this is my brand lashes. So super cute. I don't really push these in the bags anymore unless I just feel like it. I normally use these right here because it has colors and stuff, and so like I basically have color bundles, so I try to match the bag that you purchase. So we just have lashes, and then we have the lash glue pens and the brushes and then tweezers. So that's why it says lash and accessories, because I just pull this out and get everything I need for lashes. So come on down next. We have my little bags that I use to do my freebies and put the products in so it won't, when it's shipped, it won't go everywhere. I have some fragile stickers and some more bags. And then in here, I have my purse tags, some Zaya's Boutique stickers, some thank you for your order, Zaya's Boutique, and then some thank you stickers. I actually made these. If you can make things and not pay for things, it'll be very great, especially starting off small. I do a lot of things for my business, and you know, I print them off or I get it printed. But if you can do it yourself, you guys, please do it. Canva is very, very, very helpful. I use Canva for a lot of my things. But in this drawer, I just have thank you stickers, and then these is little tags I use for my bracelets, and then I have some stickers. Put that back. And then you come right here. It says hair clips and scrunchies, which that's what's in here. I have the bigger hair clips that I have, and then scrunchies. My light done went off. But scrunchies I normally put in freebies because I really don't go to scrunchies when I'm doing them. I have a lot of older people use my scrunchies. I would love for the younger crowd to, you know, watch my brand because I want everybody that's girly to, you know, watch me because super girly and I love girly things, and that's what we're bringing. So at the bottom, I have my boxes, Zaya's Boutique boxes, and I have some pre-made and then some that's not made. And that's my pawpaw. I miss him so much, but okay. And then jewelry and earrings is in here. So we have these earrings that I use. I have gold and silver. So we have these, and then I have these type of earrings. I have them in silver. I have these bracelets, and then I have some evil eye necklace and earring sets that I keep in here. All right, moving along, moving along. And then right here, we have this. And then up here, I have some more keychains. And these is super cute. This is actually a coin purse, y'all. And I have them in different colors, which comes in the bundle. So if y'all see these and you order a bundle, if you would like one of these coin purses to be added to your bag, leave a comment and say that you ordered, and I will specially put one in there. And then we have these purse keychains come in different color, and I have them in silver and gold. I have them in silver and gold because I know some people don't like silver, some people don't like gold. And I have it where you can leave a comment if you want silver or gold, and I will try and make sure that you will get what you need. I may mix it up because I like to add a lot of things in the bundles. But if you ask for gold, you're going to get majority of gold. If you ask for silver, you're going to get majority of silver. So it's some keychains in there. And then down here, we have more keychains. Like I have the little doggies. I have the little teddy bears. I have little purse keychains, little coin purses. This different type of keychains. And then I have some debit card grabbers left. The teddy bears that has the little wristlet on it, and then I have some shoe keychains also. So that is what's in this drawer. And then this drawer is going to be for my pre-made bracelets, which I have a video coming up on me making pre-made bracelets. So I will actually have them and stuff. So I would just check my purse inventory and see what colors I have. And then I would just make bracelets, and then I will have them so it'll be a quick seller when I am packing orders. And then down here is a bunch of headbands. And I actually think that I'm going to use these for freebies because it's really hard trying to match the colors up the way that I try to do. So these will probably be freebies. And speaking of freebies, this is what my freebies kind of look like. But I'm not going to use these anymore. I'm going to use the other ones. So it has a bunch of little items in here just to say thank you for purchasing. So you get a free gift, probably a free headband, and all kind of little freebies when you place an order. So like I said, you guys, I hope y'all can see my flash had came off because my phone is hot. I've been doing a lot of content today. So this is my little area, and I really hope that y'all really enjoyed watching this little preview of my setup right now. As time goes by, it will update it. We're trying to move, so a lot will be changing with the business, but this is the little setup, and I really hope y'all enjoyed the video. Until the next video, bye.